Hello and welcome back to Kentucky Home Garage. If you have a BMW X5 anywhere from 2000 to 2005 and you start experiencing some AC problem where as you drive down on the road your AC works fine, it blows cold, but when you get to full stop then you experience where AC no longer blows cold, and sometimes you may even have some overheating issues with your car. If you had a problem, most likely it's your problem with your electric cooling fan. This fan is located in front of the condenser, and it should kick on as soon as you turn your AC on. So I want to show you how to what to look for, how to check your wiring to make sure you don't have any wiring issues before you replace your fan. And now the fan is has a 3-wire connector, has 2 heavy gauge wires and 1 thin wire. 2 heavy gauges power and ground, and the thin wire is wire that comes from the power control module, and the computer sends a signal to the fan, and now fan has some kind of a solid state module inside of it that's supposed to read that signal and turn the fan on according to signal from the power control module. So let me get this off the. I'm going to show you guys where the fan is, where the connector is, and how to do all the electrical testing before you replace your fan, so make sure you don't have any wiring issues. So here's the electrical connector right there. We have 2 heavy gauge wire. The red and blue is power. Comes from the fuse. It's hot all the time. The brown wire is ground, and this thin wire, green and black, is the control wire from the power control module. The fan is located at the front, right here, in front of the condenser, and now when you turn your AC on, they should come on right away. So now what you can do, just turn your fan on, turn your AC on, and come outside, look at the fan, and if the fan is not spinning, again, before you replace your fan, you need to do some checks on your wires before you to make sure you don't have any wiring issues. So let me get this in a shot. So the first one, I'm going to turn the key on, and I'm going to back probe a brown wire, a ground, to make sure I have a good ground. Then I'm gonna check my feed to make sure I have a good feed on it, the power that comes from the fuse. And then let me get this a little bit better. And then we're gonna check the signal from power control module. So. So this is a key on, engine off, and first I'm going to back probe my brown wire, which is my ground, and I have a good ground here. Got no. There you go. There you go. That's my ground and my power. Got 12 volts. The battery is a little low, and now the control wire. You should get this. Okay, with the key on, you're supposed to have battery voltage. Again, my battery is a little low, but right now we have 11.5 volts. So this is just the key on. Now I'm going to start the engine. I'm going to have my AC off, and we're going to see what kind of voltage we're going to have on the control wire. Okay, now guys, you can see we have a 12.5 volts, a full battery voltage. On the top you can see actually the lab scope. This is an on and off signal from the computer, and now we have a 100% duty cycle. Now I'm gonna turn the AC on, and we're gonna see changes in the signal and the voltage on our control wire. Okay, so now we can see that our voltage is dropping down, the computer is changing the signal, and now we can see that our duty cycle on our signal is changing right now. And basically it's on and off square wave that comes from the computer. So basically what you want to you get your multimeter and look at the voltage. It's supposed to change in a couple of minutes, so it goes almost down to like 2.5 volts. And I think this is a variable speed fan, where as the voltage changes, the speed should change on the fan. I'm not sure, but I think that's the way it works. But anyway, my fan is not working at all right now. So this is what you want to check before you replace your fan. Check your power and ground, those two heavy gauge wires, and look for the voltage at your control wire. If you have all this, then you have a bad fan. Now, if you have a 0 volts on your control wire, do not replace your fan. That's not your problem. You most likely have a open and short in your control wire, or have a problem with the module, which is very unlikely. But that's what you need to look for. So I'm just going to show you the fan again, and you can see it's not working. There's my fan. It's receiving the signal from the computer, but it's not working right now. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope somebody can troubleshoot. Let's see, still now we're at the 2.9 volts, 2.8. This is pretty much, I think, where it's supposed to be a full speed on the fan. Okay, guys, I think this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And again, if you don't see your voltage on your control wire, do not replace your fan. Something else is going on in your control wire. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my video, and see you next time.